Hello friends, in this video we will talk about some examples of transgenic animals. Now the first example of a transgenic animal is that of the transgenic mouse. Now transgenic mouse was the first transgenic animal to be developed, and it was developed in the year 1985. Now since then many transgenic animals have been developed for different purposes, but of all the transgenic animals that have been developed so far, 95% are mice alone. 95% of the transgenic animals, they are mice alone. Now the reason for this is because these have the comparatively shorter generation time. They have very short generation time, and they also have the short lifespan. So the several generations of the mouse can be studied. They have short lifespan. For this reason, transgenic mice are developed. The 95% of the transgenic animals are mice alone. Now these transgenic mice have been developed primarily for acting as the disease models. So they have been developed for acting as disease models. And number second application of transgenic mice is that they can also be used to test the chemical toxicity testing. So they are used to test the toxicity of the chemical toxicity testing. So this was about the first transgenic animal, that is the mice. Apart from this mice, several other transgenic animals have been developed. For example, the second example is that of the transgenic fish. Now transgenic fish has been developed for two purposes. Number first is for the food value enhancement. That is, such type of transgenic fish has been developed which grows at a faster rate, and it reaches a larger size. So for example, one of the transgenic fish that has been developed for enhanced food value is the transgenic salmon. So transgenic salmon. This transgenic salmon, this was developed by fertilizing modified sperm carrying an extra copy of growth hormone gene. Carrying an extra copy of growth hormone gene with the female gamete. This was made to fertilize the egg, and the resultant salmon and the resultant transgenic salmon that developed, it was found to grow at much faster rate and to a larger size. So the transgenic salmon that developed, it grew at a faster rate. This grows at a faster rate than the normal salmon, faster rate. And number second advantage of the transgenic salmon is that it attains a larger size. And this transgenic salmon was the first animal, a farm animal especially, to be developed for the enhanced food value purpose. So transgenic salmon was the first transgenic animal, to be developed for enhanced food value. Now other transgenic fish have been developed for the purpose of making them disease resistant. So another example of the transgenic fish is the one that has been made disease resistant, especially the virus resistant, which causes huge losses to the farmers. So what is done here is that a defective viral gene is inserted into the salmon. So that is inserted into the fish, and the resultant fish that develops, resultant transgenic fish carrying the defective viral gene, it develops resistance against that virus. So it becomes resistant to the virus. So virus resistant fish, transgenic fish, has also been developed. So this was the second example of transgenic animal, that is the transgenic fish. Number third example of transgenic animal is that of the transgenic poultry. Now similarly, the transgenic poultry that are resistant to the viral disease have been developed. For example, transgenic poultry was developed by two scientists by the name of the Sattler and Crittenden. They developed a transgenic poultry. So what they did is that they took a defective viral genome of virus, a common virus which causes disease in case of poultry, that is avian leukosis virus, ALV or avian leukosis virus. So it is a defective viral genome was introduced into the poultry. So the resultant poultry carrying this defective viral genome, that became transgenic poultry, and this transgenic poultry was then resistant to the ALV virus. So it was resistant to ALV. So this is resistant transgenic poultry that is resistant to the avian leukosis virus, which kills these birds. They became resistant to it. So this was about the another example, third example of transgenic animals, that is the transgenic poultry. Another example of transgenic animals is the transgenic rabbit. So that is the fourth example. Fourth example is that of transgenic rabbit. Now transgenic rabbit has been primarily developed for molecular farming. Now what is molecular farming? Primarily developed for molecular farming. Now molecular farming is a phenomena whereby an animal, especially a transgenic animal, is used as a bioreactor to produce a specific biochemical which is then harvested from it. So here usually the gene of the biochemical is combined with a mammary tissue of the animal, and then the animal produces the product of the transgene in its milk, and then that trans product or the recombinant product is recovered or harvested from the milk of such animal. For example, rabbit has been used to produce biochemicals like alpha-1 antitrypsin, as well as TPA, that is tissue plasminogen activator. Next example is that of the transgenic sheep. That is I think fifth example. Fifth example of a transgenic animal is that of transgenic sheep. Now transgenic sheep has been developed for a different purpose. One of the purposes of transgenic sheep is that they are used for molecular farming. That is, they again, in the same way as in case of rabbit, the foreign gene coding for a specific biochemical like alpha-1 antitrypsin that will be fused with the mammary tissue of the sheep like the beta-lactalbumin, and the same will be then produced or secreted in the milk of the sheep from which it will be extracted. Apart from this, transgenic sheep have also been developed for the enhanced food value purpose. Such sheep will have the extra growth hormone gene, and they will grow to a larger size. And number third, they have also been developed to produce good quantity and better quality wool. So transgenic sheep has been developed for number one, to act as for the molecular farming, and for that purpose the transgene is fused with the mammary tissues of the sheep, like they are combined with the beta-lactalbumin gene, and then the resultant transgenic sheep, milk of the resultant transgenic sheep will produce the products of the transgene, which will be then the harvested. So transgenic product is then harvested from the milk. For example, this sheep has been developed, transgenic sheep that has been developed to produce alpha-1 antitrypsin and various blood clotting factors. And apart from them, as I mentioned earlier, they are also used for the enhanced food value purpose. So they also, transgenic sheep, they also have been developed by combining them with by inserting extra copy of growth hormone gene in them. So therefore they will attain larger size. Transgenic sheep will attain larger size. Similarly, transgenic sheep, they have also been developed to produce more and better quality wool. So that is another case of the transgenic animal. Now next example of the transgenic is a very interesting example, that is that of the transgenic goat. Now as far as this transgenic goat is concerned, this was developed by a Canadian biotech company, Nexia Biotech. So what they did is that this Nexia Biotech company, they took away a gene from the spiders. So spider web gene, they isolated, this pharmaceutical company, this isolated the spider web gene from the spiders, and then combined or inserted or combined it with the mammary tissues gene, and combined this with the mammary tissue genes of goat. The resultant transgenic goat that developed produced a milk in which was present the spider web protein. So the transgenic goat produced milk that had the spider web protein, and this same spider web protein that was then harvested from the milk of the goat, and this protein after harvesting was used to make the dresses. This was used to develop the dresses, and these dresses were used for forming the uniforms of the military persons. So they were used for forming the military uniform of military personnel. Now these such military personnel uniforms or dresses, they are having the greater strength. They are having the higher strength, higher durability and higher strength, and therefore this is also called as the biosteel. This is also called as biosteel. So transgenic goat has been developed to produce the biosteel, which means that they will produce the spider web proteins in their milk, which can be used to develop the dresses that will be used by these military or the army personnel. So this was another example of the transgenic animal. The next example of transgenic animal is that of the transgenic cow. So this probably is the 6th or 7th example. 7th example of transgenic animal is that of the transgenic cow. Please listen carefully this time. So this transgenic cow, this was developed in 1997. In 1997, a transgenic cow was developed and it was named as Rosie. Transgenic cow was developed and this cow was named as Rosie. So it is often asked in competitive examinations, the transgenic cow, what is the name of the transgenic cow, or Rosie is transgenic what? So Rosie is a transgenic cow, and this transgenic cow, this was developed to produce a milk that is more nutritious and suitable for the human consumption, because it was this Rosie, it carried a gene for alpha-lactalbumin. Alpha-lactalbumin gene, which is the human milk protein gene, human protein. So this human milk protein gene, that is alpha-lactalbumin gene, that was inserted into the cow, into the Rosie, and then the milk of this cow contained this alpha-lactalbumin in the concentration of 2.4 grams per liter. So this alpha-lactalbumin in this concentration is more nutritious for the human infants. So this milk is more nutritious for human infants than the milk of the normal traditional cows, normal for human infants. So in other words, we can say Rosie was developed, transgenic animal Rosie was developed to produce the human milk. So this is about the Rosie. Similarly, another example, that is the 8th example of transgenic animals, that is that of the transgenic pigs. Now transgenic pigs have been developed for different purposes. One of the purpose of the developing transgenic pig is for the enhanced food value, and the second purpose of developing transgenic pig is to provide the superior parts. So they are also developed for as suitable organ superior source. So their MHC molecules can be masked and their organs can be harvested. So next example, that is the 9th example of a transgenic animal, is that of the transgenic dog. Now this transgenic dog has been developed. This transgenic dog, it has a better olfactory power. So a transgenic dog having better olfactory power, than the normal dogs has been developed, and this transgenic dog has been named as Doggy. So Doggy is in biology is not the cryptocurrency, it is here the name of the transgenic dog, and this has also been used. This was also been used during the attack on the World Trade Center to locate the bodies of the survivors, bodies of the dead as well as the survivors. So this was about the transgenic dog. And finally we have the transgenic monkey. Now even the transgenic monkey has been developed. So far we had seen the examples of either the mammals, but the transgenic monkey was the first primate that was developed. So this is the last example of the transgenic animals, that is the transgenic monkey. As far as this transgenic monkey is concerned, transgenic monkey was developed by inserting a jellyfish gene in the oocyte of the monkey. So here this was developed by a company called as Oregon Group, US. So Oregon Group, US company, they developed this transgenic monkey by introducing a jellyfish gene by the jellyfish gene like called as green fluorescent protein gene, GFP gene. GFP gene stands for the green fluorescent protein gene. And this green fluorescent protein gene, this was then injected into the oocyte of the monkey using a micropipette. So using a micropipette, this green fluorescent, so this green fluorescent gene that was injected into the oocyte, and the resultant monkey, the resultant monkey was the transgenic monkey because it now carried the gene from the jellyfish. So it was a transgenic monkey and it was named as Andy. So this Andy was developed for the purpose that this transgenic animals we can introduce genes even in case of primates. So here Andy refers to inverted DNA. So Andy was developed. So this was all about today's topic, the examples of transgenic animals. So in today's this video we talked about some of the examples of transgenic animals. So we have seen that transgenic animals have been developed for the different purposes. Some have been developed for giving us the biopharmaceuticals. Some have been developed to enhance the food value. Some have been developed to attain disease resistance, and there are some have been developed for simply acting as the disease models. So this was all about today's this video. In next video we will talk about another topic.